Society taking over me, I can't be the only one left. No, society breaking up on me, I just wanna be felt and taken and never let.
So today I am going to tell you those top secrets that only few people know about. And do you know that all those are billionaires? So let me explain you the foundation principle of making money. See, if you want to earn huge amount of money, so you need to understand this foundation principle of making money. People who will not implement this principle will not be able to gain huge profits. So now, breaking the suspense, let's start with the foundation principle of making money. So foundation principle says solve the problem and get paid. Or I can say that you get paid when you solve a problem. For example, you say that there is a person who is very rich. So I will ask you that what does he do? So you tell me that he sells apartment in city. So now he is solving a problem. Getting an apartment is a problem for people, and that person is selling an apartment. So he will get paid for that. So now just understand the basic principle that bigger the problem you solve, bigger the amount you get paid. Also, it depends that how many people are you serving. So this is where internet wins. As I told you in last video also, that you can target people around the globe with internet. So we will surely discover the power of internet in upcoming videos. Till the time, let's get back to our discussion. So now let's talk about how you can become a millionaire. So in order to become a self-made millionaire, you need to remember the thumb rule and start doing your work accordingly. So now we will see simple mathematics which are given by the foundation principle of making money. But before that, remember the thumb rule. Bigger the problem you solve, bigger the money you get. So now I would suggest you to imagine that you have a product to sell. Just imagine any product. So let's start. So if you keep a profit of rupees 2000 and sell that product to 5000 people, so how much money you earn is 1 crore, right? So if you keep a profit of 5000 rupees and sell that product to 2000 people, so you earn 1 crore rupees. If you keep a profit of 10,000 rupees and just sell that product to 1000 people, so you get 1 crore rupees. So this is the mathematics given by the foundation principle of making money. It is as simple as that. And achieving these figures is not a very difficult task on internet. So now I would suggest you to imagine that you have a service to offer people on monthly subscription basis. For example, think of Amazon Prime, or you can think of Netflix also. So now let me show you the mathematics behind this. So for example, just imagine that you offer your subscription to 5000 people and you just keep a profit of rupees 170. So how much in a year you earn? So that is 1 crore rupees. For example, again imagine that you offer same subscription to 2000 people and you just keep a profit of rupees 420. So in 1 year you will be able to earn 1 crore rupees. Again imagine, then you just offer that subscription to 1000 people. So, and if you keep a profit of rupees 830, so you earn 1 crore rupees in 1 year. And you just keep a profit of 1070 and just 1670 and just offer that service to 500. So you again earn 1 crore rupees in 1 year. See how simple it is to earn 1 crore rupees in 1 year. See, targeting these many people is a very easy task on internet. Just look at Netflix or Amazon Prime. They have made crores of customers on monthly subscription basis, and just imagine how much they are earning. So now you must be thinking that how can we make this much amount of money just from internet by selling our services or product. So I would like to request you all that kindly do your research about the same. Main points on which you need to do the research are: what product or service can be sold, what product or service is in demand, which product or service can give you more profits, how your competition is selling the same service or product. So if you get answer to these questions, you are just one step away from becoming a self-made millionaire. So today I will show you the real power of YouTube and how you can make a huge amount of money with YouTube. So now we will be doing a research on different kinds of channel on YouTube, and I will show you how much income they are earning, and I know you will be shocked to see that. So let's start. We will be doing research on animations channel today and we will learn the power of animation on YouTube. So stay tuned with me and let's start. Open Google Chrome and log on to youtube.com. Here we go. And as you know, our first channel is CocoMelon. So let's search CocoMelon here. So this is our channel, and as you can see, they are making animated videos. Just have a look here. So here is the CocoMelon Nursery Rhymes channel. So as you can see, they are making animated videos for kids who are 3-year-olds and 4 years old. And as you can see, they are having 82.5 million subscribers. So 82.5 million subscribers is a huge amount of subscribers. So first, let me tell you what is a subscriber. For example, you have subscribed to CocoMelon channel. So whenever the CocoMelon channel will upload any video, or they will go live, or they will do any kind of activity, so you will be the first one to get notified. So let's do some research on this channel also. So first of all, let me show the amount of videos they have made on the channel. Just have a look at this. They have made a lot of videos. And this is only for entertainment purpose and educational purpose for kids. So let's open one video and see what are they making. So just see, this is an animated channel for kids only. So this is an English channel and it's an American channel also. So what are they actually doing is they are making cartoon and nursery rhymes and kids songs for the 3 years or 4-year-old kids. And just have a look at their views. This is a huge amount of views. So they are doing actually nothing, and they are just making animated videos. So now let me show you that how much are they earning in 1 month. So first of all, I would like to request everybody that please take a notebook and a pen so that you don't miss out anything, right? So we log on to socialblade.com. So let me tell you that SocialBlade is a website which shows channel analytics and the amount of money they are making, and other analytics related to subscribers also, and their ranking, their subscribers, their views, and like this all, right? So first search this channel, CocoMelon. So you just note down the socialblade.com. This is a very important website for us. So let's copy this. Here it is. Let's pause this and look at this. So here is the channel. So now as you can see, they have uploaded 530 videos. They have got 82 million subscribers, as I told you. This is a US country, and this is an education channel started in 2006. So basically they started their work in 2013 and 14, and as they created the channel 2006, so it is showing 2006 here, but I'm telling you that they started their work in 2014 only, right? So first of all, look at this. They have got first social blade rank, education rank is first, and the country rank is second. And just have a look at this. This is the main thing we are here, right? So they are making $1 million to $16.7 million. So I would like to tell you that this is not the amount they are making, right? They are making in between $1 million and $16.7 million. So now let me tell you that they are actually making, so this is an English channel. So just multiply this lower amount by 5 or 6, right? So they are actually making $5 million in 1 month. So if I convert this amount into Indian rupees, so this will come around $5 million will come around 38 crore rupees in 1 month. So 38 crore rupees in 1 month is a huge amount. I know this may go beyond the belief system of many people, but this is the reality. They are making this much amount, $5 million. And also let me tell you, and you can just notice down the fact that if the channel is in Hindi and like regional languages like French and Spanish, so just multiply this lower amount by 2 or 3 only. Because English is a universal language and you can target many viewers also around the globe. So that's why English channels earn more than the regional language channels. So here is the complete statistics of the channel. On daily basis, this is their estimated earnings. And just have a look how fantastically this graph is growing. They started from 0 in September 2017. They were having around 0 views, or you can think that they were having very low views, right? and just have a look. In just 3 years, how much they have gained. Have a look. In September 2003, in September 2017, they were not even having 1 million subscribers, and in 3 years they have gained 80 million subscribers. So this is a huge amount. So as I told you, this training is only purposed on giving you an entrepreneurial mindset. So just have a look at this, and this is a reality, right? So let me show you another channel also. The another channel is Choo Choo TV. So this is an Indian channel. Have a look at this. This is an Indian channel. Let's open this channel, and here we go. So this channel has got 35.4 million subscribers. So now you know what a subscriber is. Just have a look at this. So they are also making videos like CoComelon. The content is absolutely same. Let's open one video. See, here it is. So only nursery rhymes and kids songs are there on this channel. And look at the views. Right. And this is not CoComelon, Choo Choo TV. These are the channels I am showing you. There exist a lot of channels like this and who are earning a huge amount of money. So let's find out how much Choo Choo TV is earning. So let's copy this name. Here we go. Here it is. This is the channel. So they have uploaded 357 videos, 35.4 million subscribers, and it is an Indian channel. They started in 2013. So this channel was created in 2013, and I'm telling you that they started in around 2015. So 5 years back. So the country rank is 8th, and you just have a look at this. How much are they earning? $176,000, and and this is an English channel also. And so this multiply this amount by 5, so $800,000 in 1 month. So this is a great amount. So if I convert this amount into Indian rupees, so that comes around 6 crore rupees per month. So it is a huge amount. Have a look at this. This is their estimated daily earnings. So as you can see, they were having 500k subscribers, and now they have 35 million subscribers. So this is the amount they gained in just 3 years. In YouTube, in most of the channel, you will only find the J curve in every channel. So just have a look at this. I know this is beyond the belief system of many people, but this is the reality they are making. So let me show you the another channel also. So this is a new channel as compared to this channel, Infowells. So this is a regional language channel in Hindi. This is an Indian channel. Just have a look at this. So they are making videos in Hindi. So as you can see, there's nothing different from the Choo Choo TV and CoComelon. This channel is also like this only, right? So let's find out how much this channel is making. So here we go. So as I told you, this is a new channel. Still, it has 23 million subscribers, which is a huge amount. On YouTube, even 1 million subscribers means a lot. So the channel was created around 2014, and according to my research, they started in 2016. So they have uploaded 335 videos. And just have a look at this. So this is their monthly earning, and just multiply this amount by 2 or 3 as this channel is in regional language. So around $500,000. This goes around 2 or 3 crore rupees in a month if we convert it into Indian currency. So this is a huge amount of money, right? As you can see, they started from zero in 2016 and they are gaining a lot. The graph is fantastic, right? So now, I am here to give you an entrepreneurial mindset, and you must be thinking that how can we do the same? So as you know that in this training program, you will get an entrepreneurial mindset on how to build your online business and generate huge amount of passive income. So now I will be telling you that how you can make money in animation genre on YouTube. So first of all, if you want to start this journey on a small scale business, so let me tell you that you can just log on to fiverr.com. You'll be able to find many freelancers who can animate your videos. So in these videos, you don't have to do anything, right? You just need an animator, the person who can animate these videos like in 3D or 2D, and you just need a music production house who can just add some music on these videos. That's all. So on small scale, you can just log on to fiverr.com and find a freelancer. For example, cartoon animation, just search it. I'll show you how you can find. Here it is. So let me tell you one thing, that 2D animation will cost you less and 3D animation will cost you more. So you can just initially you can just start with 2D animation. That's not a problem. So just have a look at this. So I would like to suggest you that you just get on WhatsApp with these people, and you can just do a deal and a contract with them, and just hire them on monthly basis, that I will pay around this much amount for 30 videos or in a month, and they will just come in a very low amount. Okay, be able to work with you at a very lower price if you just offer them a full package. Like if you hire them for 30 videos, 60 videos, 50 videos, and or you can just hire them on monthly basis and they will come at a very low cost. So what you can do is just get the videos animated once, right? And add music in 2 or 3 regional languages and upload them on different channels. So for same videos, you will earn money 3 times the actual money. So I will show you how this works. So as you can see, this Choo Choo TV is an English channel. So these videos are in English. Okay. So now what they are doing is, just have a look. They have made many channels. They have made Choo Choo TV Tamil, Choo Choo TV Brazil, Choo Choo TV Francais, Choo Choo TV Hindi. Just have a look at this. Let's open the Hindi channel. And on this channel, they are having 4 million subscribers. So they are gaining a lot, right? So you can see that these same videos are being used in English language also, in Hindi language also, in French also, and in Spanish also. So the great amount of money which you spend is on the animating videos. Adding music to the videos is a very easy task, and it will cost you very less also. So this is an entrepreneurial trick that you can just follow in these types of channel. So just get the animated video once and just add the music in 2 or 3 regional languages and upload them on different channels. So this is how you can make money, around 5 times the money you can make on a single channel, right? Also, I would like to tell you that how these videos are earning for this Choo Choo TV or like CoComelon. So let me show you. As you must be knowing that on YouTube you see a lot of ads. Just wait a moment. I will show you. I don't know why this ad is not coming through. Sometimes the. So as you know that whenever you run any video on YouTube and the channel is monetized, so an ad appears on the YouTube. Like ad can appear here also, or before the starting of the video, like skip ad. So I will also tell you the types of ad you can just put on your YouTube videos and earn money. So they put an ad on this video, and every time the video on, you get a payment, right? So this is as simple as that. So you make a video once, and you can get paid for this video even after 7 years, 10 years also. So for today, this is all like I have to teach you, and I would like you all to just do the research on yourself also on YouTube, right? And this is how you can make a lot of money. So this is very easy and simple, and this doesn't require any kind of investment also. Very low amount of investments initially are needed, and just have a look how much are they earning. 26 crores, 30 crores. So this is a huge amount of money what you can do, right? So all the best. Until the time, you do your research. Thank you.